guys, happy Monday. My name is Jeff Jones. I am from theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a little tour of the Formuler.tv website and just take a look at how good these devices are and the brand new Z10 Neo. If this is your first time to maybe the Stream Machines YouTube channel, thank you for being here. Go ahead and help me out by clicking the like button. That helps with the algorithm of YouTube. Secondly, if you have any comments below, make sure they're in the comments section as we take a little short dive into, I believe, the best media devices for streaming media. As I said, these devices, I actually purchase a lot of them wholesale. I have for several years, and I have different vendors all across the United States, not United States, but across the pond. At any rate, these relationships allow us to deliver world-class service when it comes to technical support, customer support, because these boxes actually work a lot. What you're looking at right now is the brand new Z10 Neo. It's the new and upcoming one that I should have some, I say in the next 3 to 4 days. I call this the beginner box for a lot of different reasons, and I'll go into that in a moment. You can see that it's smarter, it's easier, it's very small. A lot of different things that the Formuler does. It's pretty optimized, but I want to get to it. I call it the beginner box. Okay, it's kind of reborn because the old Neo looked a little different. This one is looking a little more sleek. And don't you like the way Formuler does things? I mean, it's very clean, very crisp. Again, Formulers are all about elegance. They're all about simplicity. This homepage is not cluttered with any advertisements. So it's meant to stream media, period. It's meant to bring you entertainment, period. I shouldn't see Amazon apps. I shouldn't see any other app. Amazon advertisements. I should not see any adverts. I want to use my box to watch TV, and that's what I do. So you experience the difference because of My TV Online 2 and the HDR color. Everything is right there in front of you. The technology to decode just about any stream. It's 4K compatible, all that good stuff. And as we scroll down, this is what makes the rubber meet the road. Regular over-the-air updates. So the remote is there, and also that application that allows you to have it on your phone. And they give you 30 days of a free ExpressVPN for all Formuler users. So let's get to the specs. What's in the box? Here's the media device, the IR remote control, TV cable, power adapter, batteries that work, and a quick guide. The galleries are always nice at Formuler, pretty elegant in what they do. I mean, I like what they do. That's awesome. And here are the specs. So it's not the biggest box, but it only gets to 2.4. It doesn't allow you to get to 5G. And it only goes up to 100 megabits per second, and that's plenty. This is a beginner box. It only has 2 gigabytes of internal memory, and I think 4 gig expanded memory. Okay, so it doesn't have a lot of memory for you to download a lot of different applications, but it has enough to get it done. 4 gigabyte right there, 2 gig DDR4. So those are the things that we like the best about it. And let me go ahead and go here. Let me just see if I can do this real quick. And here, I want to show this. Here are some of the things that Formuler has on deck since we looked at the new Z10 Neo. All right, you got the Z Mini, you got the Z11 Pro Max, and the Z11 Pro. These three have My TV Online 3, and there's some benefits, and I made a video about that. And then below you got the Z10 Pro Max. They're not making that anymore. That's going out. The Z10 Pro, they're not making that anymore. That's going out. You have the Z10, which is still there. That's My TV Online 2. All right, so the Pro Max has stopped, and I believe they're still going to have the Pro. So you have 2 of those that have My TV Online 2. The best seller of all these devices is this one here, the Formuler Z10. From Formuler itself, it is the fastest growing device because of the price point, because of the efficiency and how it runs under pressure. You can tell how a device is going to run under pressure when you run into a couple of things, but you know, in other words, just some challenges, but you know this streamer, they sell more of these than any other streamer that's here. All right, and if we go below, you got the Z10 Neo, which is new, this SE, and then you got, of course, the Big Daddy, the GTV I've had for 5 years. Formuler changes the game with all of the, I'd say, add-ons or all of the opportunities for their media streamers. It requires that you have, you know, service or TV service or not. I mean, most of my customers use Tubi and other stuff, but we have boxes that are already set up for customers with the live TV, and then they can add their own movie apps or do whatever they want. But the live TV gives us a chance to give you a great experience. If the TV is working and we can help you technically, customer service, and community, which we have a very good community, you're going to keep the device for a very long time, and you're going to like the way we treat you, and that's very good. I mean, that's very, very good. So I wanted to show you a little bit about that. I think the Neo is up and coming. Like I said, I should have these in the next 3 days. But if you want to go to Formuler.tv, we sell all of these devices, but the main one we sell are the Z10 and the Z11 Pro Max. I think between these two, this is a very beginner box. This is someone that is very, very interested in being advanced. The Z11 Pro Max is for an advanced user. The Z10, beginner, intermediate, but advanced and hyper advanced user are the Z11 Pro Max, Z11 Pro, and even the Z Mini. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'd like to hear which one that you own, if you have one, and why you like it a lot. Thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to get the information on who can get the free Z Mini. We're going to be giving that away on August 4th within the next couple of weeks, and we appreciate you taking time to watch this great video. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.